once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
I've got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so let's put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone eternally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking running. See, I ain't the one to fall with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can
got
kick
it
the
all
rocks
on
if you think
tap.
you're fucking
Loving
better.
your
See,
vibe,
I will
always
let
have
you
your
turn
back.
you to an enemy.
We like all the same tracks, sitting all night in the sheets all black.
Motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up
falling
hits.
fast,
I'ma leave a
remember
legacy.
life
You
before
realize
you,
the
that's
whole when you're
right.
standing right next to me.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack